See, let me draw here one box, one cylinder. Let's take this as my center. Okay. And one more box. So we have three solid bodies. Now, already we have seen Boolean operations in 2D as well. Now it's time for 3D. Go to union, UNI. Union means to unite these three solid. Suppose I want to unite these three solid. Now, what is the meaning of that? Go to 2D wireframe. You will see that they are separate solids. They are separate solids. Go to union, UNI, enter. Select this object, select this and select this. I have selected three solid bodies and enter. Now you can see that they are united. Go to shaded with edges. You will see that they are united. Means now they are a single solid. Select this. You will see only one drag handle. They will move together. Select that and move it. See, they will move together. Do undo. Yes, now they are separated. Okay, go to shaded with edges. I have done undo. So see here, you can separate them. You can select them separately. Okay, you can move it separately. See, so if you unite them, U and I enter, select this and select this. So all the objects will be united. Now you can move them. You can move them together. Now do undo. Undo till they are not separated. Now they are separated. See how? Because they are getting selected separately.